Welcome to the NJIT website and math podcast. My name is Amin. Today I will be covering factoring by grouping. Factoring by grouping may seem difficult at first, but it uses a simple concept. Let's say we have the expression ax squared plus 3a. Now this will factor to a times x squared plus 3 because a is common. But what if a is not a constant? What if a is an expression, say x plus 2? Then the expression becomes x plus 2, x squared plus 3, x plus 2. To factor this, we just simply factor out the x plus 2, and we get x plus 2 times x squared plus 3, because we know x plus 2 is simply a. Now let's simplify this. This simplifies to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. This looks like a grouping problem. Now, to factor this out, we just work backwards. So, we factor out an x squared, getting x plus 2 times x squared, and a 3, getting 3 times x plus 2. Now, this is a familiar expression. We can factor out the x plus 2, and we get x plus 2 times x squared plus 3. Now let's look at an example. Let's say 6x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 2. Let's factor out the x squared. So this is going to lead us to x squared times 6x minus 3 minus 4x plus 2. From here, let's factor out the 3 from 6x minus 3. So this leads to 3x squared times 2x minus 1 minus 4x plus 2. Now we need to do something with the negative 4x plus 2. Let's factor out a negative 2. So it's going to equal 3x squared times 2x minus 1 minus 2, the negative 2 that we factored out, times 2x minus 1. Notice negative 2 times a positive 2 is going to be a negative 4, and negative 2 times negative 1 is going to be a positive 2. So 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 are common, so we can factor them out. So it will equal 2x minus 1 times 3x squared minus 2. And this is going to be our answer. Thank you for visiting the NJIT website. If you need further assistance, stop by the CAPE, Hall, room 200. Good luck in your studies.